Good morning students. Today we will discuss the types of the beam section. So the beam section are of the following types. First is balanced section, second is under reinforced section, third is over reinforced section. So first is balanced section. So the balanced section may be defined as a section in which the maximum stress in concrete in compression zone and tensile stress in steel in tension zone reach their permissible value simultaneously. It is also termed as critical section or economical section. So the neutral axis of the balanced section is known as critical neutral axis. And the area of the steel provided for a balanced section is termed as economical area of the steel. So all the reinforced concrete sections are preferably designed as balanced section. So this is the cross section of the beam, this is the width of the beam section, small d is the effective depth of the beam section, AST is the cross sectional area of the steel in tension, and this is stress diagram. Sigma CBC permissible compressive stress in concrete, sigma ST is the permissible tensile stress in steel, M is modular ratio, and N is equal to NC. NC means critical neutral axis. So for the balanced section, the depth of the neutral axis is known as critical neutral axis. So N is equal to NC for balanced section. So from the similar triangles in the stress diagram, so sigma CBC upon sigma ST upon M, so this is equal to N upon D minus N. So this is M sigma CBC upon sigma ST, this is equal to NC upon D minus NC. NC means the depth of the critical neutral axis for the balanced section. So for the balanced section, K is equal to neutral axis factor, this is equal to M sigma CBC upon M sigma CBC plus sigma ST, and N is equal to NC, so this is equal to KD, K neutral axis factor, and moment of resistance of balanced section. Moment of resistance of balanced section, this is given by the equation total tensile force T into Z, where T is the total tensile force and Z is lever arm. So this is equal to AST into sigma ST, so D minus NC by 3. So this is the equation of the moment of resistance, and also the moment of resistance, this is equal to C into Z, where C is the total compressive force. So this is equal to B into N into sigma CBC by 2 is equal to D minus NC by 3, or M moment of resistance is equal to Q BD square, where Q is the moment resisting factor. So these two equations can be used to determine the moment of resistance for a balanced section. So second type of the section is over reinforced section. Under reinforced section. Under reinforced section. So if the area of the steel provided is less than that required for a balanced section, it is known as under reinforced section. So due to the less percentage of the steel reinforcement, the actual neutral axis will shift above the critical neutral axis. Though this is critical neutral axis, so NC means critical neutral axis, and this is actual neutral axis. Actual neutral axis. This is depth of the neutral axis. So sigma C, this value is sigma CBC, permissible compressive stress in concrete, and this is sigma CBC dash. So this value is sigma CBC dash. In under reinforced section, steel is fully stressed. Steel is fully stressed and concrete is under stress. So it means some concrete remain unutilized. So in under reinforced section, steel is weaker than concrete. So therefore stress in steel reach their peak value earlier than concrete. So it means stress in steel will govern the moment of resistance. So moment of resistance, this is equal to T into Z. So this is equal to AST into sigma ST into D minus NY3. And actual stress developed in the concrete, sigma CBC dash, actual stress developed in the concrete, it can be calculated from the equation M sigma CBC dash upon sigma ST upon N upon D minus N. So then over reinforced section. So when the area of the steel provided is more than that required for a balanced section, it is known as over reinforced section. So because the area of the steel provided is more, so neutral axis will shift toward the steel. So it means N will be more than NC. So in this section, for the balanced section, and say sigma ST dash on N. So this is sigma CBC. So this is actual neutral axis, and this is critical neutral axis. So depth of the neutral axis is calculated by taking moment of area of compression side and tension side about the neutral axis. So this value is N and this is NC. So in over reinforced section, N is more than NC. So this is equal to by taking moment of area of compression side and tension side about neutral axis. So this is equal to B into N into NY2. So this is equal to M into AST, equivalent area of the concrete, into D minus N. So it means this is equal to Bn square by 2 M AST into D minus N. So this is quadratic equation in N having two values. So only positive value is taken because neutral axis cannot be negative. So the neutral axis determined from this equation is actual neutral axis. In over reinforced section, concrete is weaker than steel. So concrete, so it means concrete will govern the equation of moment of resistance. So the moment of resistance for the over reinforced section, this is equal to C into Z, where C is the total compressive force and Z is the lever arm. So this is equal to B into N sigma CBC by 2 into D minus N by 3. So from this question, moment of resistance of the over reinforced section can be determined, where sigma CBC is the permissible compressive stress in concrete and sigma ST dash the actual stress in steel. So actual stress in steel can be determined from the question M sigma CBC upon sigma ST dash upon N D minus 1. So from this question, actual stress developed in the steel can be determined. Thank you.